Happy Sunday, everyone, or whatever day it is you're watching this. This happens to be Sunday morning that I am cleaning. I like to get up before everyone else does, and lately, since we haven't been able to go to church, I try to go ahead and get some cleaning done before Mr. C and I watch church online. I'm starting off with making a cup of coffee, and this frother, you guys, has been my saving grace during this whole quarantine, so I can make my own at home, yes, look at that, delicious coffees. I will leave a link to this frother in the description box. And now I'm going to sprinkle a little vanilla cinnamon sugar on it and start my cleaning. The first thing I'm going to be doing is unloading my dishwasher. I should have done this the night before because now I have dishes in the sink that I need to clean to load the dishwasher back up. And yes, I usually like to get this done in the evening, but you know, some evenings you're just ready for bed. And this may be a little extra, but whenever I do my hot sudsy water, I love Dawn detergent, the blue Dawn detergent, but I also put a capful, sometimes 2 capfuls of Clorox in it. It's not enough to hurt anything. It's just to kill what's ever in there. And as you can see, I'm not even rinsing the stuff off, the suds and the bleach, because there is really not enough suds on here that by the time I put them in my dishwasher that it's going to make the dishwasher overflow with suds. It's not that much Dawn, and I really don't want to keep the water running, so I just kind of wash them off, kind of shake them in the water in the sink, and then just load up my dishwasher. And now I'm just going to clean my frother out. You have to be careful with this one that you don't get any water underneath where the element is that you put on top of the charger. It comes with this handy little sponge that I absolutely love. And now I'm moving on to clean all of my all-clad pots and pans. One of them I did use the night before. As I mentioned, I didn't clean it out. The other 2 just needed a really good scrub. And for stainless steel cleaner, you have to use something that's a little acidic. And my choice always is the Bar Keeper's Friend. I love the scouring powder. The cleanser is good. It's a cream. But I always prefer the powder instead, and what I do is I put a little bit of Dawn detergent on it, which you probably don't need to do, but I just like to. I add a little water, and then I just use a sponge, a double-sided sponge, to clean it.
I tried so hard to let go, writing poetry and rhymes just to get you.
And just to show you how well the Bar Keeper's Friend works on stainless steel, I am scrubbing the bottom of one of the pans. I'm going to do half and show you the difference between using that and then leaving it just to a regular cleanser. The Bar Keeper's Friend gets it sparkling.
I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, second guessing your words, 'cause you choke right when I see that you're all I really need. But if I'm honest, I know this whole thing has been a sign that I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. not ready.
And to clean my stainless steel, I have used so many different types of stainless steel cleaner. The only one I have found that I thoroughly love is the Wiseman Stainless Steel Spray. It smells wonderful and it does an excellent job on stainless steel.
I tried so hard to let go, writing poetry and rhymes just to get you.
And now I'm moving on to my stove. As you can see, there's this caked on mess. I don't know what happened there. I have not been able to get it off. It was there when we bought the house. I have tried to use the Barkeeper's Friend. I have tried to use the Goo Gone that's specially made for stoves. I cannot get it off. If you know how to, let me know. So what I do is I put my Lodge cast iron dish there. I just put up against it so no one sees it.
If I'm not ready, second guessing your words, 'cause you choke right when I see that you're all I really need. But if I'm honest, I know this whole thing has been a sign that I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna lie tonight, you don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna lie tonight, you don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna lie tonight, you don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna lie tonight, you don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, you don't get everything you like, yeah.
To keep the handles on my appliances clean, I found these handle covers on Amazon. I will link them below if you're interested. All I do is maybe once every 2 weeks. That's really all I need. I just throw them in the washing machine. They come out perfect. And all you do is Velcro them around all of your handles. I like how it just kind of blends in with the stainless steel. They are very inexpensive. And as I said, I will link them in case you're interested.
'Cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna lie tonight, you don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, second guessing your words, 'cause you choke right when I see that you're all I really need. But if I'm honest, I know this whole thing has been a sign that I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna lie tonight, you don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna lie tonight, you don't get everything you like.
And now that everything is sparkling clean, I am going to turn on my air diffuser. Thank you so much for spending Sunday morning with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you join this very clean and organized community. Until my next video, bye loves.
You're making it brighter right through the gray.